Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is Moodle. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Moodle? Moodle is an open source learning management system or LMS or course management system used for online learning and education. It is a web-based platform that allows educators, teachers, and trainers to create, manage, and deliver online courses and educational content to students or learners. Moodle stands for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Key features of Moodle include, number 1, course management. Educators can create and organize courses and add resources, activities, and assessments and define access permissions. Number 2, collaboration tools. Moodle offers various communication and collaboration tools like discussion forums, chat rooms, and wikis to facilitate interaction among students and instructors. Number 3, content management. Instructors can upload various types of content, including text, multimedia documents to support their teaching materials. Number 5, assessment and grading. Moodle supports the creation of quizzes, assignments, and assessments. It also includes grading and feedback tools for instructors. Number 5, user management. Administrators can manage user accounts, roles, and permissions within the system. Number 6, customization. Moodle is highly customizable, allowing institutions to adapt the platform to their specific needs and branding. Number 7, plugins and extensions. Moodle has a rich ecosystem of plugins and extensions that add additional functionality and features to the system. Number 8, security and privacy. Moodle has a strong focus on security and provides options for user data protection and privacy. Moodle is widely used in educational institutions, including schools, universities, and training organizations to facilitate online learning, blended learning, and distance education. It is known for its flexibility and adaptability, making it a popular choice for educators looking to create and deliver online courses. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Moodle is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.